Good morning, students. Today we will be having IT period again. So first of all, we need to download the PDF again, right? So in order to download the PDF, so what we need to do is to go to the portal. You can find the portal link on your group description. So for me, I will use the Chrome browser. So the portal link is mcaproject.apz.com. So after accessing this website, you can see class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8. So in your case it's class 7, right? So I will tap on, okay, the net is not working. So here you can see class 7 GK and class 7 IT. So we need to download class 7 IT because we're going to take class 7 IT period, right? So tap on class 7. Okay, so here class 7 IT, then information technology. So we have completed part 1, part 2. So now suppose this one is part 1 shortcut making and part 2 topic is object oriented. So let's see what to do. So you can use this search button also, okay, OPERA. So can you see it, DELE? So here you can use this one also. Now first of all let me go to download, tap on download button, then now let's start with how to make shortcut on desktop. We have already completed. This one is also completed. Undelete object is also completed. Now arranging icons. So what do we mean by icons? Icon means this, okay, these shortcuts, so these are icons, okay, these are all icons. In computer term, these all are called icons. These small, these are called icons. So so arranging this icon, so computer have, suppose now my icons are not in auto arrange, so I can place it here, but suppose your icons, whatever we are saving, it's scattered in whole page, right? So if you want, you can uh, put it in a arrange. So in order to put, you need to right click, then go to stored by, oh sorry, it's not stored by, view, okay, it should be on view. You need to first, let me repeat, right click, then go to view, then after going to view, can you see auto arrange icon? So using this auto arrange icon, you could arrange it here. Can you see? Suppose I'm dragging it here, so it can't drag. See, we can't drag it. Can you see? So suppose I am turning it off again, auto arrange, this one is stick, right? I will turn it off. Okay, let me see your demo. Can you see auto? If it is in auto arrange, it will arrange in a systematic way, okay, might be it in alphabetical or some manner, okay. So suppose I'm putting it again on auto arrange, then can you see it's a break. So auto arrange is just for scattering, arranging items, okay, auto arrange. Now let's see your second topic, using recycle bin. So what does this recycle bin, means? I won't follow, right click on recycle bin icon to empty the recycle, click on empty, then I will just show you, okay. So what is recycle bin? This one is called as recycle bin. Can you see this one? Can you see this one, this arrow? Can you see this one? This one is recycle bin. This one recycle bin, okay, this one is recycle bin. So suppose I am deleting this, no, not this one. Suppose deleting this test java, not test java, this one. See, okay, this one is empty. fdd.text, I am deleting this one, okay. So I will delete, right click, then delete. So I have deleted, right? So I have deleted. How will I recover it? So we can use undo button, but I want to delete it, okay, after 2-3 days. So whatever we delete from the computer system, it's stored on recycle bin, this recycle bin, okay. So suppose I have opened this recycle bin, so I'm searching for it. Now let's see which one is mine. So this, I've deleted this one, right? So I have deleted on the date is incorrect, 2021 third. Oh, this one is incorrect, so I have deleted, right? So now I will restore it again. So in order to restore, I need to right click. By clicking once, I need to right click. After right click, there is a restore. So okay, now let's see where was it. So can you see this one? So let me delete it again. Okay, FD text, remember this one, this text, remember this one. Okay, I will delete it. So I have deleted, right? After deleting, where will I find this recycle bin? So let's open. It was FDD, right? F. So can you see I have deleted this one? See this one, this one. We have found our bin. So suppose I want to undelete it again. I have deleted my files mistakenly. So I will do what? I will tap once, then right click, then there is a delete. If we put on delete, it will delete it permanently. Okay, it will delete permanently. So if I put on restore, it can delete, it can restore it again. See, suppose I want to delete it permanently. Okay, so whatever inside the recycle bin, or if you want to do it all at once, see, can you see this one? See this one, restore all items. So if we tap on here, it will restore whatever item, this whole items, this whole items. Okay, this whole items, this whole items, this whole items into my computer system. So I want to delete all files. Okay, so there is another option, right? This one, this one, can you see this one? Recycle bin. So I will put on recycle bin, empty recycle bin. So are you sure you want to delete your item 74 item permanently? Yes. So it will delete all your files and you won't be able to restore it again. Okay, so here it's empty. So here, can you see this one? This recycle bin is empty. Suppose what's this? Okay, this one is okay. Suppose I'm deleting this one. Okay, suppose I'm deleted. So can you see this one? Let's undo it. Can you see? Check this one. Okay, this one, this one. Can you, suppose I'm deleting here, can you see this one is filled? That means some items are deleted. So how to restore it again? I will tap once or restore all items. Suppose I'm restoring, suppose I want to restore 2 items. So this one is also deleted. So there are 2 items, right? Suppose I want to restore it at once. So what will I do? Restore all. Yes, I want to restore all. So here all items are restored. See these 2, right? I have deleted these 2 and restored these 2. So this is the process how recycle bin works. What is the use of recycle bin? So this is a short dustbin. So whatever we throw, we used to throw in dustbin, right? So suppose I have lost something, so I can search it on dustbin again, right? Suppose I have recycled dustbin to that bollo peina, so we used to throw it. So suppose we mistakenly throw to bollo peina, so we can't find it our dust again, right? So this is the use. So if we delete something from the recycle bin, it won't be fine. But if we delete something from the computer, it can be seen on this recycle bin. Okay, recycle bin is a dustbin. Okay, so what is the use of recycle bin? To restore. So if we delete something from the recycle bin, then nothing can be recovered. So for your next class, okay, that's all. For your next class, I will give you a homework. Okay.